Are your Google ads not bringing the results that you want? Let's change that. In this video, we will explore how to craft compelling Google ad copies that not only attract clicks but also convert like crazy. Next, crafting a perfect headline. Ito kasing headline na to, no? Ito yung first thing na makikita ng mga naghahanap doon sa ating product o service. Kaya make sure to make it count. Also, use numbers, use power words, and a sense of urgency to grab attention. Pagdating sa mga sense of urgency, like buy this now, get this today, get a quote now. Pagdating sa number, for example, save hundreds of dollars or even thousands of dollars, just to give you an example. First things first, para makapagsulat tayo ng compelling Google ad copies, kailangan is naiintindihan natin yung ating target audience. So to do that, kailangan maintindihan din natin kung ano ba yung product o yung service na ating i-advertise. For us to be able to know kung sino ba yung mga audience na magkaka-interest dyan. At isa pang maganda dito, pag naintindihan mo yung audience mo, makakapag-craft ka ngayon ng tamang buyer persona. Kasi yung messaging natin, depende dyan. And also by doing so, ma-address tuloy natin yung mga pain points and yung desires ng ating target audience. And this will result na mag-resonate sila dun sa ating ad copies pag nakita na nila to sa Google search engine. Pangatlo, write a compelling description. So dito ay highlight mo yung mga benefits, pati yung features para mas ma-entice yung potential customer mo. And also, sa bandang dulo nitong description, magandang nilalagay yung call to action. Like, get a quote now, get this product now, buy this today, to name a few examples. So, sa description at saka sa headlines, maganda talaga nag-A/B split test ka parate. So, i-monitor mo yung performance ng mga existing na ad copies mo sa headlines at descriptions. And from time to time, iti-test mo siya against new versions of those copies. Pang-apat is i-utilize mo yung ating ad extensions. So, pag hinanap mo yan sa Google Ads dashboard right now, baka ma-confuse ka kasi hindi mo makikita yan. Kasi ang tawag na sa kanya ngayon is assets. Pero parehas pa rin yan. Yung mga side links, callouts, structured snippets, yung images, yan yung highly recommended ko na hindi dapat mawawala sa mga Google Ads mo. So, ang kagandahan sa mga Google Ad extensions na yan is nagpo-provide yan ng extra information dun sa mga services o products na ina-advertise mo. And in return, mas lalaki yung real estate na masasakop ng ads mo. That will result, syempre, mas maraming clicks at mas maraming conversions and also mas optimize na Google Ads. Na ultimately, mas bababa yung iyong cost per conversion. So mamaya, if you stick to the end of this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo isa-isa yung mga examples ng mga ad extensions na yan na sinasabi ko. At kung paano natin isusulat yan kasama na yung headline at descriptions ng mabilisan at malupitan with the help of AI. Okay, so panglima, i-optimize mo yan for mobile view. Tandaan mo, majority ng traffic ngayon sa mobile na nanggagaling. So make sure pag sinusulat mo yung ad copy mo, you have that in mind. Pang-anim, i-analyze mo lagi at mag-iterate ka doon sa mga existing na ad copies mo. Sa madaling sabi, A/B split test. So, continuous yan. Continuous improvement kasi yung gusto nating mangyari. Paano mo titignan yan? Sa loob mismo ng Google Ads dashboard, makikita mo yung stats, yung mga old ads mo versus new ads. Makikita mo kung sino yung mas nag-perform ng mas maganda. So, syempre, kung na-outperform ng bagong ads mo, yung mga lumang ads mo, i-post mo na ngayon yung mga lumang ads mo. And yung bagong ads mo na ngayon, yun yung i-A/B split test mo ulit. Just to give you a quick recap para makapagsulat ka ng malupit at compelling na Google Ad copies. Unang-una, kailangan maintindihan mo yung target audience mo. Pangalawa, you need to write those perfect headlines. And pangatlo, you need to write compelling descriptions. Pang-apat, kailangan ma-utilize mo yung ating Google Ad extensions na ngayon it's under assets na sa loob ng Google Ads dashboard. Panglima, you need to keep in mind yung mobile views pag sinusulat mo yung mga ad copies mo. Pang-anim, don't forget to analyze. Don't forget to A/B test. And pang-pito, wag mong kalimutan na gamitin yung Karuya with combination of AI and yung competitor analysis to craft a compelling and highly converting Google Ad copies. So go ahead and try these tips and strategies and I'm sure makakakita ka ng big difference sa next na Google Ads campaign mo. If you find this helpful, paki-like mo naman ang video na to. And if you have any questions or suggestions, do comment them below. And for more tips about freelancing and digital marketing, consider subscribing.